Hi, I'm Al, and in this video, I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to install, and how to connect to your app, the new Ring Battery Doorbell. First of all, a quick look at what's in the box. You've obviously got the doorbell itself, and it's safe to say that the design of this has been really improved from the previous models. You have your back plate, which goes onto the wall. I'll show you that later. You have the instruction manual, very important, and also very easy to follow. The standard Ring sticker that you can put around your doorbell, letting people know that you have a Ring doorbell. Your fixings for the wall, there's some screws and some rule plugs in there. And very importantly, this is the tool you need to take the doorbell off the back plate so you can charge it whenever you want to charge it. Right, let's get over to the house and I'll show you how to install the doorbell on your door or around your door or wherever you want to put it. Now let me show you how to install this Ring Battery Doorbell. There's only 3 components you need: the back plate, the doorbell itself, and the fixings. You've got a rule plug and the screws, and they come in the box, nice and easy. The first thing you need to do is mark out the 2 holes on your wall ready to drill. Once you've marked and drilled the holes, you put in your rule plugs and then you're ready to fit the back plate onto the wall. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. And now my back plate is firmly secured to the wall. I'm just going to install my camera. Now you can see in here there's a little hole with a slot. You put that slot over the back plate first and then you clip the bottom in. That's how you get this onto the wall. Ready? I actually don't think there's an easier Ring product to install than this new battery doorbell. Well, there you have it. It's all quite straightforward, especially if you follow the instructions. Next up, let me show you how to connect the doorbell to the Ring app. The first thing you need to do is simply scan with your camera on your phone the QR code on the back of the device itself. This will open up the app, or it will prompt you to download the app. Once you're in the app on your phone, it will prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi, essentially connecting the device to the Wi-Fi that you've got at home or wherever you're installing your doorbell. Once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it will take you through all of the settings that you want to set up. You can set up different motion zones, you can set up different areas, you can set up different alerts and notifications, but don't worry, because you don't have to do them all at setup. If you want to go back and make any changes, you can do that in the app really easily. It's worth just noting some of the key features with this new video doorbell. First of all, it's got 2K live video, so you're watching a much better and improved quality from previous models. Another great feature is the 2-way talk. You've got package alerts, and you've also got motion detection. The new Ring Battery Doorbell is really easy to set up, really easy to install, and really easy to connect to your app. Thanks very much for watching. And if you've got any questions or any problems, drop them in the comments below.